Hi there, Melody from WTI. Now, whether it's for fun, whether it's to eat and drink healthier, every kitchen needs one of these. This 35-ounce nut milk maker machine from Vunvooker is the next appliance that you are going to want to get for your kitchen. And I'll tell you why. I was impressed with the quality of it. The inside stainless steel, including the blades, are going to last a very long time. The cute little silicone feet on the bottom will keep it stable when in use. Now comes the fun part. Let those creative juices flow. All you do is select from the standby menu what you want, and then it just automatically starts after 3 seconds, and then it'll let you know with a series of beeps when it's done. With this nut milk maker machine, the sky's the limit. Whether you're making juice or your very own milk, whether it's made out of almond, oat, coconut, whatever, it is going to be so delicious on your favorite bowl of cereal. You can also make juice, shakes. With all of these options, there are so many things that you can make. Nice, healthy drinks like this gorgeous shake. It even boils water, so it's so multifunctional. It makes hot drinks, cold drinks, 4 to 5 cups of milk at a time. And one of the best features, it has auto clean. So don't let this machine intimidate you. It's fun, it's good for you, it's easy to clean. Hey, it cleans itself. What more could you want in an appliance for your kitchen? That's my point of view.